Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English step by step. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Alex, how was your day today?
Oh, my day was busy. I woke up early, I went to work, and now I'm here with you.
That sounds like a full day. Well, today, our topic is exactly that, your day. We will learn 8 easy phrases to talk about your daily routine, from morning to night.
Perfect. Everybody has a day, so everybody can use these phrases. Let's start.
Simple English daily. Hey, come and learn a little every day.
But first, a fun question, Alex. We sleep every night. But how much of your whole life do you spend sleeping?
Ooh, a lot, I think.
Is it A, a quarter of your life, B, a third of your life, or C, half of your life?
I'll say a quarter?
Maybe. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening.
Okay, Nina. Let's start in the morning. What is the first thing you do?
In the morning, I wake up. Wake up.
To wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Say it with me. I wake up early.
I wake up early. Good. And after you wake up, you are hungry. So you
You have breakfast. Have breakfast.
have breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. I usually have eggs and coffee.
Yummy. Now, after breakfast, many people go to work. Go to work.
Go to work. If you have a job, you go to work. I go to work by bus. And students go to school.
Yes. And in the middle of the day, you are hungry again. So you have lunch. Have lunch.
Have lunch. Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Say it with me. I have lunch with my friends.
I have lunch with my friends. Then, in the evening, work is finished. So you get home. Get home.
Get home. To get home means to arrive at your house. I get home at 6 o'clock. It feels so good to get home.
It really does. Now, in the evening, you are hungry one more time. So you have dinner. Have dinner.
Have dinner. Dinner is the evening meal, the last big meal of the day. I have dinner with my family at 7 o'clock. Say it with me. I have dinner at home.
I have dinner at home. After dinner, it's time to rest. So you relax. Relax.
Relax. To relax means to rest and feel calm. I relax on the sofa and watch TV.
I love to relax and watch TV. And finally, at the end of the day, you are tired. So you go to bed. Go to bed.
Go to bed. To go to bed means to go to sleep for the night. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. And then we wake up and we do it all again.
Yes, that is a normal day.
Now let's practice. I will say a sentence about my day. Then you try and tell us about your day. Ready?
Ready. Number 1.
I wake up early.
Number 2.
I go to work.
Number 3.
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
Number 4.
I have dinner with my family.
Number 5.
I go to bed at night.
Great job! Now you can talk about your day in English.
Now, the answer to our question. How much of your life do you spend sleeping? I said a quarter.
Good guess. But the answer is B, a third of your life. If you live for 90 years, you sleep for about 30 years.
30 years? Wow, that's a lot of sleeping.
Yes, sleep is very important. So go to bed early tonight. Let's say our 8 phrases again.
Wake up. To stop sleeping in the morning.
Have breakfast. To eat your first meal.
Go to work.
To travel to your job.
Have lunch. To eat your meal in the middle of the day.
Get home. To arrive at your house.
Have dinner. To eat your evening meal.
Relax. To rest and feel calm.
And go to bed. To go to sleep at night.
Great work today. Now you can talk about your day in English.
How was your day? Tell us in the comments in English. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.